one Rachel Swiss type CNC lathe plays a vital role in the industrial automation. It enables high precision and high efficiency for the production of complex parts. Through automated operation, Swiss type CNC lathe machine reduces manual intervention and human error, which enhancing production feasibility and supporting the demands for small batches and multiple varieties. In addition, the real-time data monitoring and analysis function makes the production process more optimized. Overall improves the competitiveness and efficiency of the manufacturing industry. That's the end of today's introduction. If you are interested in our products, please follow our website. We will see you again next time.